Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I am a serious overpacker. Now, if you suffer from overpacking syndrome like I do, I can't tell you that I'm going to solve the problem completely, but these packing cubes have been a huge help for me. If you love to travel but struggle with fitting everything in your suitcase, these Megaback compression packing bags might be exactly what you need. Now you don't have to leave anything behind. So this set comes with 2 large, durable bags and a rechargeable pump. So you can either roll the air out by hand from each bag, or you can use the pump for a faster, tighter seal. It recharges with a USB, so it's easy to take the pump anywhere, and it even has a convenient built-in light. Now, my advice is not to overfill the bags. The zippers are heavy duty, but if you put too much inside, your clothes could get caught when closing the zippers, so stay clear of the zipper. And that's the secret to really locking the air out of these bags. Make sure the zipper is completely sealed all the way up. Once it's closed properly, you're going to get the best compression. I love using compression bags not only because they give me extra space in my suitcase, but also because they keep my suitcase neat and organized. And even when I go to my destination, I'm able to keep my clothes well organized inside the compression bag. So I use them throughout my whole trip. Another big plus is that they're waterproof. So no matter what happens to your luggage, whether there's spills or leaks inside, or even if there's bad weather outside, your clothes are going to stay dry and ready to wear. So for anyone who wants stress-free packing and extra peace of mind when traveling, these Megaback compression bags are a simple but smart solution. And that is my point of view.